How to set Adobe Acrobat as default. Do you want Adobe Acrobat to be your go-to PDF viewer? Smart choice. It's a powerful program packed with the features. Let's get it set up as the default so every time you open the PDF, it opens in the Acrobat automatically. This video is based on the Windows, so the whole process may be different for the Mac users. So let's dive into the topic again. Let's open one of the PDF from the file manager. Okay, maybe this one. Right click on the PDF, then you can see an option for open with. Simply tap on it, and just beside it you can see an option for the Adobe Acrobat. Simply tap on it. We didn't see an option for a default over here. However, if you are using it for the first time, you will see an option for set as a default just below the options of the open with. So that was the whole idea on how to set Adobe Acrobat as a default. That's all for today's video, and if this video made today a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.